Exploring the vast outdoors with absolute freedom and opulence has never been better than with Earthroamer's extraordinary vehicles. Although in the past few years we've seen some major improvements from them. The Earthroamer LTi came out and officially replaced the good old Earthroamer XV-LTS. While many people are still using their LTS, some may be looking forward to an upgrade. But is the upgrade really worth it? Watch the video to hear our thoughts on these two behemoths so you can make the best decision for yourself. If we look at their design perspectives, both the Earthroamer LTi and the Earthroamer LTS share the same chassis. The Ford F550 four-wheel drive surely is a reliable option that delivers exceptional off-road prowess. Nevertheless, the Earthroamer LTS comes with its innovative one-piece molded composite camper body, a revolutionary technology in the world of expedition vehicle manufacturing. This seamless design enhances strength, safety, and reliability, providing a more durable and robust living space. The LTS is fiberglass sandwich construction similar to that used in yacht hulls and aircrafts. On the other hand, the LTi boasts premium carbon fiber construction, offering a much more lightweight body and fuel-efficient option for the adventure enthusiast on the move. According to our opinion in their design, the LTi radiates rugged sophistication, while the LTS emphasizes functionality and endurance.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Now, if we look deeper into these two vehicles, both the Earthroamer LTS and the Earthroamer LTi come equipped with powerful, efficient turbo diesel V8 engine. We all know how the V8 engine shows some promising performance even in the most challenging terrain. The LTS enjoys a competitive advantage with its air ride suspension, King off-road shocks, and heavy-duty anti-sway bar, each engineered specifically for Earthroamer, granting unrivaled off-road handling and level capabilities at any off-road conditions. In comparison, the LTi takes that even further with 43-inch all-terrain tires on beadlock wheels and an air ride suspension system, enabling independent raising and lowering of each wheel or axle, along with enhanced clearances. Both vehicles excel in ground clearances and off-road capabilities, but the LTi's upgraded suspension system and military-grade tires offer an edge in handling rough terrains. We'd also say that LTi is proven to be very effective in sub-zero temperatures with deep snow, as well as in 100-degree Fahrenheit heat. Therefore, you will not feel any discomfort even if you use it for camping in such environments for 7 days straight. As for the interior, both the Earthroamer LTS and the Earthroamer LTi present intelligently designed spaces that epitomize luxury and overland experiences. The LTi exudes an air of opulence akin to a lavish 5-star hotel room, adorned with wooden finishes and premium leather cushioned sofas. Its indoor kitchen features modern appliances, including a stainless freezer, induction cooktop, and convection microwave. Luxurious touches like a granite countertop and a touch faucet add to the grandeur. On the other side, the LTS optimizes space efficiently, offering generous seating for 2 to 6 people, ample storage for food, clothes, and gear, and a highly functional bathroom equipped with a cassette toilet and hot and cold shower. The LTS's king-size memory foam bed and overcab bunk provide utmost comfort for sleeping, while the LTi boasts a fixed king-size bed over the cab, ensuring a cozy resting space. Both models excel in providing comfortable interiors, but the LTi's focus on luxury and high-end finishes sets it apart from the LTS's more pragmatic and functional design. Then again, the wooden interior makes it heavier, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a lightweight carbon fiber body. After a thorough comparison, it becomes evident that both the Earthroamer LTi and the Earthroamer LTS are exceptional expedition vehicles, each possessing its own strengths and unique offerings. Now, we get that many of you can say that why spend so much on a rig like this? Well, you see, they're built for extreme conditions. While it is true that they are heavy, it is also important to remember that 120 gallons of fresh water is heavy, needs to be stored, and needs to be stored in a way that prevents it from freezing. The same is true for two 100-gallon diesel tanks. So if you need that convenience, you have to go through that price. The Earthroamer LTi with $1 million price tag stands out with its premium carbon fiber construction, luxurious interior, and refined features, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize comfort and style during their adventures. Conversely, the Earthroamer LTS shines with its innovative one-piece molded composite camper body, impressive off-road capabilities, and functional interior design, appealing to adventurers seeking durability and independence in their overland experiences. If you already own an LTS, we don't think it's an absolute necessity to upgrade. But if you can afford that, then why not? It has cutting-edge tech, proper comfort, and everything you need packed in. So ultimately, the choice between the Earthroamer LTi and the Earthroamer LTS boils down to individual preferences and priorities. For those valuing luxury, comfort, and a refined aesthetic, upgrading to the LTi is a worthy long-term investment. On the other hand, if unmatched off-road performance, durability, and a pragmatic design are what you seek, staying with the LTS emerges as a good option, promising an exceptional overland adventure experience. So that was our video on the Earthroamer LTi versus Earthroamer XV-LTS. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.